This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is part 2 of using Presenter View in PowerPoint. Presenter View gives the speaker several options of controlling the presentation. Below the current slide, there are icons to assist with the presentation you are displaying. In the lower left-hand corner, the pen and laser pointer tool can be used to emphasize parts of the slide. Click on the icon and select the type of tool. Select the laser pointer to point to certain parts of the slide. Select the pen to write or draw on the slide. Select the highlighter to highlight parts of the slide. Notice the icon also gives the user the option to erase all ink on slide. Use the See All Slides icon to jump to a slide out of sequence. Click on the desired slide, and the presentation automatically jumps to the selected slide. The Zoom into the slide icon gives the presenter the option to zoom into a certain part of the slide. Click the Zoom icon. Move the Zoom window to the desired area and click. When the presentation should zoom out, click the Zoom into the slide icon again. If the presentation should pause, click the black or unblack slideshow icon. When you are ready to resume the presentation, click the icon again. To end the slideshow, click End Slideshow in the toolbar. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.